your perspective. Kinda, we can't see. It's okay. Tell me what you're doing.
I'm taking off the throttle cable right now. And the clutch pedal assembly. Like that.
All the good parts. You have to get way in there. You have to get way in there.
Oh yeah.
This is Melvin. He is one of our new techs. And we put him on this job. It's gonna be a doozy. We have to lift the cab up. Take out the engine. An engine rebuild. Ugh. On this beauty. So I'm gonna bug him for a little bit and follow him around. What?
Dude, what?
Got you.
In the ass.
Got you.
Kick me in the ass. Don't you over here.
Maybe I was talking shit earlier. I couldn't even hear you.
I wasn't talking shit.
No, that's what Travis said. Oh, Travis was talking shit.
Yeah.
Oh, snap.
We're not figuring that out. Travis is.
And the truth comes out.
It always comes out,
Right? I'll step on. Is it being difficult?
Yeah. Almost got it. I gotta get in there.
Get all the way in there, real good.
Gotta beat the engine to fix the engine.
Pretty much.
Too bad this is too big of an engine.
Too big?
Yeah, on my old Chevy, I could put my feet on each side and just sit right here.
Sit in it.
Sit in the
Engine sitter.
Alrighty.
You gotta rough her up. Rough her up.
Hmm?
Do you even skate, bro?
I said I do live, and no, I don't.
No, I'm just making.
I like 2 wheels, not 4.
Yeah, I wouldn't be good on a skateboard at all.
Yeah, true. I can't even ollie, so.
I can't even push with one foot and ride with the other. So.
Nope. No, you're not.
Look at that paint.
Come on, bitch.
This is like matte.
What
Are
do
you getting mad at it?
Fuck yeah, dude.
Oh my
I'll burn you. I'm just kidding.
Did you say tattoo?
That's how the day's going?
I mean, I guess we could. It'd be a pretty painful tattoo.
Single poke. Yeah, let's just like bust out some tattoos at the shop today.
Dude, I'm down.
Yeah.
I got a homie, I'll hit him up.
We should start scheduling that on our lunch breaks. Just have us.
Just have the homie come through.
That'd be super cool.
No.
Yeah. Let's all get like a little stroke of diesel tattoo.
No.
Not
My second day.
not yet. I know, right?
He's like, I don't know how I feel about this place yet. Volunteering
tattoo?
for
At
tattoos.
least I have a sticker on my truck that says Stroker Diesel. But it was already there before I even started working.
Yeah,
There
I
you
know. Freaking.
Repping the shop. Okay, I'll hold off on the tattoo session for lunch. If you need like another year, what?
Yeah.
Get like a dainty little foot tattoo.
No, dude, they're a waste of money, bro.
Foot
Like,
tattoos?
They're great, but any tattoo that's not in a place you can see is kind of basically a waste of money if you think about
All of mine are in places you can't see.
it. Well, I'm sure that's enjoyable for somebody else. But
Yeah. For me. for me. I'd put some on my fingers, I think.
On your fingers?
Like on my hand. You have one on your hand?
Fuck yeah.
Let me see.
It's a little Taurus sign
I like that.
drew when I was like really young, and my buddy's dad does tattoos, so he did it for my 16th birthday.
Oh,
and I was
that's
like,
cool.
That's nice.
16.
Yeah, my mom was pissed.
Yeah. It's a typical mom reaction.
And then she went and got one too. She was like, tattoos are not meant to your or to be on your body. It says in the Bible. And then like 10 minutes later,
She got one.
she got one. I'm not kidding. Like 3 shots later, and she's getting a tattoo.
Oh man.
So I got away with that.
I
one.
want to hang with your mom. That sounds like fun. Schedule that tattoo sesh. All right, you going under?
I'm about to. If I can find the right socket.
We gotta get it out. Gotta make things happen here. How's it looking? Maybe? Get some... Get it all drained out. Whoa. All right, well, at some point in the day, we will... The scab's coming up, right?
Yeah, probably soon.
Okay.
Whenever the lips opens up. Soon.
Soon.